Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brace yourself. It's the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25 Group D game between Delhi and Railways, and we are coming to you live from this iconic Arun Jaitley Stadium, nestled in the vibrant capital city, New Delhi. Well, we are moments away from live action here in day 2 of this big game between Delhi and Railways.
शुरू में अपील जरूर हुई है, पर यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा था कि लेग स्टंप को मिस कर रही थी। बॉल कैरी नहीं हुआ और उस गैप में भी गया। 4 रन मिलते हुए यहाँ पे यशदुल को।
Beautifully struck there. Stand there and admire that shot, young man.
Change of angle for the left-hander,
and he's given.
And out comes the man they've been waiting for. The huge roar from the crowd greets Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है। इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं। बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफिक एकदम सीधा।
Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump, knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan, and Delhi lose their 3rd wicket. The crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
बाउंड्री मिलती हुई राहत की सांस मिली होगी इस समय। बदौनी अभी क्रीज पे आए हैं, वो भी चाहते हैं कि रन्स निकलें और बाउंड्री मिल जाए कुछ इस तरीके से।
Nicely struck, will get a boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Ayush Badoni.
And another wicket here for Sangwan. He's on fire. He picked up the wicket of Virat Kohli in the previous over. Now he cleans up Sanat.
बट ये शॉट देखिए यहाँ पर, अपने पाले में गेंद को पाया और माथुर ने चौके से अपना खाता खोला यहाँ पर।
He doesn't mind playing aggressive shots, Badoni. This time around, he goes up and over. Tucked away nicely, and once again, he's been very good in running between the wickets. He's put the pressure on the fielder. And that's a very ordinary effort that has become a boundary because of a sloppy effort.
यहाँ पर कदमों का इस्तेमाल और बेहतरीन शॉट साइड स्क्रीन पर छक्का जड़ते हुए।
Good use of the feet from Ayush Badoni. The moment it was tossed up a bit, he was down the track.
Down the track, over the top. Will it go all the way? Just a bounce or two before the ropes. Beautifully struck, inside out, over extra cover. Perhaps one of the most difficult shots in the cricketing manual. Pulled away nicely. That'll be 4. The 150 of the Delhi innings coming up with that boundary. Just over the outstretched hands of mid-on. There it is. A well-made 50 this for the skipper Ayush Badoni of 34 deliveries, a strike rate 147. There's the skipper, there's the coach standing up there and applauding the achievements of the skipper. There it is, a nice easy single to go into lunch. Just wait for the umpire to signal time for lunch. There it is, time for lunch. Delhi after 42 overs, 168 for 4, trail by 73 runs. Ayush Badoni 52 of 36, Mathur 28 of 47. A 50-50 session, there it is, 32 overs, 127 runs and 3 wickets, including the big wicket of Virat Kohli.
reaching out on that occasion.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, काफी कंट्रोल मैनर में स्ट्रोक को खेलते हुए बाउंड्री कलेक्ट करते हुए शॉर्ट गेंद और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाते हुए.
Oh, this is fabulous stuff from Ayush Badoni.
Pulls that one away. Misfield will get a boundary. That's in the air over the top. What a shot this! Absolute cracker. Bounce or two over the ropes she goes. And again, this time gone all the way. Going and it's gone. Badoni moving closer to that coveted three-figure mark. 93 now of 71. Down the track again, over the top, will move to 99, that's maximum. And Ayush Badoni really turning it on here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium.
अद्भुत शॉट ये, इस ओवर का दूसरा छक्का, लॉन्ग ऑन वहां पर इन प्लेस.
There it is, in the air! There is a fielder there, straight to him! Gone on 99 is the skipper. Just a little impatience costs the skipper of Delhi his wicket.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, अच्छी टाइमिंग, फील्डर को हार माननी पड़ी आखिर में जाके. लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, कमाल का स्ट्रोक, यहां पे स्कोर को लेवल करते हुए. लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, जब भी चौका मारते हैं वो टाइमिंग उसके धनी दिखते हैं. लाजवाब टाइमिंग.
Just wait for the umpire signal. It's off the bat. 4 runs brings up the 50 for Sumit Mathur as well. 53. Applause from the Delhi dressing room. The coach there, he's a happy man. They're in the lead. They're in the driver's seat, and they need to carry on from here.
इस बार इनसाइड द लाइन रुके और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर राजवंशी भी पूरी तरीके से सेट, अपना रेंज यहां पर दिखाते हुए.
By the curator. Well, he'll get a boundary for that. Well, that certainly will be the end of the over. The umpire calls time for tea. 29 overs sent down, 104 with just that one wicket of Ayush Badoni. The coach in an animated conversation with the two players, acknowledging what Sumit Mathur has done. Places the umpire and post-tea session underway. Delhi versus the Railways.
पर ये वाला शॉट चहलकदमी करके एक हाथ से इस बाउंड्री को कलेक्ट करते हुए.
Got him! One that kept a little low.
39 पे प्रणव राजवंशी पेविलियन लौटते हुए.
That's nicely stroked away through the offside. Dragging it short was Ayan. Once again going for the pull, and this time he takes it. It's a good take this.
14 पर लौटना होगा, 310 पे 7.
That'll be a boundary. Beautifully struck. That'll be a boundary.
Played away nicely of the pass. Just a single. And that's the end of the over. 334 for 7, Delhi. 421 dot balls in this innings. Delhi are 334 for 7. 4 more overs remaining. They offered the light to the batters and they walked off. And that's the end of play. And we get to hear that the play has been called off, and that is confirmed. That is confirmed by the gesture from the umpire. And this session, 25 overs were bowled, 62 runs were scored, just 2 wickets were lost. Slow going from the Delhi batters.